There is one quick tip that I want to let you all know to actually making yourself more active and alert like a deer. Yes, you heard me right. As per Vastu, there's actually a very simple technique that can be used to actually achieve this. But let me explain to you how. So, if you guys know about the west northwest zone of your space, as per Mahavastu, is linked with depression and detoxification. When this zone is either hampered or you're facing negative issues surrounding this particular zone, one of the easiest Vastu remedies that you can do is by keeping a deer idle in this particular zone. Either you can keep it on the floor or you can keep it on a table to reap its benefits. But how to go about locating this is stand in the center of your space, use a compass and locate the west northwest zone and then go put this particular idol over there. By doing this one, as the deer is known to be alert and active all the time, you will be able to reap the attributes associated to the deer to actually manifest it into your space. Hence, people who are going to use this space or who feel that this space has been hampered and finding a remedy for it, you will see that the sluggishness that you have, the laziness that you have, the low energy levels that you feel will all go away, and eventually you'll become more alert and active, and you will be able to reap a lot of benefits and actually see yourself investing in new ventures. So here is this quick tip that you can use to go about doing the same. But one pro tip I would suggest over here is when you're buying this particular deer shaped statue, make sure you buy it from Vastu certified shops alone, because it's very important that you get your element of the deer right and kept and when you get the element of the deer right, make sure to keep it in the correct zone between the degrees in which the west northwest zone spans in your space. Only then will you be able to see the positive results after keeping this and incorporating it into your space. So saying that, thank you very much.